Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people: sugar consumption. Eating too much sugar can have some pretty serious effects on our health, but sometimes we don't even realize just how much we're consuming. In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 warning signs that you might be eating too much sugar. If any of these sound familiar, it might be time to rethink your diet. Let's get started. First, constant fatigue and low energy. The first sign is feeling constantly tired and low on energy. Now, sugar may give you a quick boost at first, but it's followed by a crash. When you eat too much sugar, your blood sugar spikes quickly, giving you that temporary energy rush. But then, as it drops just as quickly, you're left feeling exhausted. If you find yourself feeling sluggish throughout the day, especially after meals, it could be a sign that you're consuming too much sugar. Second, craving sweets all the time. The second sign is craving sweets all the time. Sugar consumption triggers the release of dopamine in your brain, the same chemical that makes you feel good. But over time, your brain gets used to that sugar hit, and you need more to feel the same satisfaction. This creates a cycle of sugar cravings. If you find yourself constantly reaching for something sweet, even after eating, it's a sign that you might be hooked on sugar. Third, frequent hunger. The third sign is feeling hungry all the time. When you eat a lot of sugar, your blood sugar rises and falls quickly. That sudden drop sends signals to your brain that you need to eat, even if you've just had a meal. This leads to overeating and constant hunger pangs. If you're always feeling hungry or snacking throughout the day, your sugar intake could be the culprit. Fourth, skin problems. The fourth sign is skin problems. Eating too much sugar can lead to inflammation in the body, which often shows up on your skin. You might notice more acne, breakouts, or overall dullness. Excessive sugar also affects collagen production, leading to premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. If you've noticed sudden changes in your skin, sugar might be the cause. Fifth, mood swings. The fifth sign is mood swings. Sugar causes your blood sugar to fluctuate, which can have a direct impact on your mood. You might feel energetic and happy after eating something sweet, but as your blood sugar drops, you can become irritable, anxious, or even depressed. These constant highs and lows in your blood sugar can take a toll on your emotional well-being. If you've noticed your mood is all over the place, it could be related to your sugar intake. Bonus: the risk of diabetes. As a bonus tip, it's important to mention that consistently high sugar intake can significantly increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. When you consume large amounts of sugar, your body has to produce more insulin to regulate your blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, where your body becomes less effective at using insulin, causing blood sugar levels to stay elevated. Signs that you may be at risk for diabetes include frequent thirst, excessive urination, blurry vision, and unexplained weight loss. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. By reducing your sugar intake and maintaining a balanced diet, you can help protect yourself from diabetes and other chronic health issues. Small changes can make a big difference in the long run. Conclusion and closing remarks. So there you have it. The 5 warning signs that you might be eating too much sugar: constant fatigue, sweet cravings, frequent hunger, skin problems, and mood swings. If any of these sound familiar, it might be time to start cutting back on sugar and focusing on a more balanced diet. Remember, moderation is key. Sugar is in so many foods, but with a little mindfulness, you can still enjoy it in a healthy way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to live your healthiest life. And let me know in the comments, what symptoms have you experienced from too much sugar? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.